biochemical or serological investigations, we should consider four terms into consideration, that is accuracy, precision, sensitivity, specificity. Any technique, whatever the technique we are using in the biochemistry laboratory, that we should consider these four parameters, that is accuracy, precision, sensitivity, specificity. So I'll tell you about sensitivity. See the definition written over here. The ability of the test to detect even very minute quantities of antigen or antibody. So when the test is highly sensitive, false negative results may be absent or minimized So see, you have to understand this clearly now. Sensitivity means it is the ability of the test to detect even very minute quantities of antigen or antibody. For example, you take, yesterday we have discussed about ELISA. So ELISA, what full form of ELISA? I told you, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. So by using ELISA, I said this is a quantitative estimation test. Like previously you have understood what is colorimetry and how we are using. So you know that colorimetry is a technique which is used for quantitative measurements. It is not qualitative. Means we give exact concentration by this technique. Similarly, the sensitivity and is very important for this ELISA investigation. So ELISA is a immunoassay. Here we are quantifying the substance. So this is a quantitative test. So by using this immunoassays, we can measure the quantity of antigen or we can measure the quantity of antibody as well. It depends on the type of reaction which you are using and type of the well you are using for the immunoassay test. So sensitivity, when compared to colorimetry, the sensitivity is much more higher in case of immunoassay. So what happens in sensitivity? You can measure the small quantities, very minute quantities. If you see colorimetry, you can measure the concentration which is in high concentrations, only you can measure by colorimetry. But this immunoassay, even you can measure micrograms, then femto, picograms, nanograms, likewise you can measure. See, you are able to measure in milligrams, but micrograms you can measure. You can able to measure about nanograms, femto, pico. Likewise, the sensitivity increases with certain type of assays. So by this immunoassay, you can measure very minute quantities of antigen or antibody. So when the test is highly sensitive, false negative results may be absent or minimal. So what happens whenever you go for this serological immunoassay test, the antigen antibody reaction, I said it is highly specific. Antigen antibody reaction is highly specific. Means HIV antibody which we have produced artificially, these antibodies, they are specific only for the HIV antigen, not any other antigen. So if you are putting antibodies in the reaction well for HIV, and when you add the blood sample of the patient or serum sample of the patient to it, what happens? These antigen, HIV antigen, if it is present in the serum, it goes and binds with the antibodies coated in the reaction well. So how many? That is the question regarding sensitivity. So how many? What is it? Is 1 antigen, 2 antigen, 3 antigen or 100 antigen? So how many antigens it can detect? That is what the sensitivity is. So the test sensitivity of the test depends how less it can measure. if it is able to measure even one antigen also, it is highly sensitive test. So whenever we are adopting or choosing a test for identification of any antigen or antibody, we must know the sensitivity of the test. So if it is highly sensitive, the false negative results are minimized or completely reduced. That is what the sensitivity. Coming to specificity, just see the definition here. The ability of the test to detect reactions between homologous antigens and antibodies. AG means antigen, AB means antibody. I think you know this antigen antibody. So the ability of the test to detect reactions between homologous antigens or antibodies only and with no other, that is what the specificity means. The ability of the test to detect reaction between homologous antigen antibodies only with no other. Means homologous means HIV antigen is specific to bind with HIV antibody. Similarly, hepatitis B antibodies are specific for hepatitis B antigen only. So this is what the specificity is. This is what the specificity. So in a highly specific test, again what happens? False positive reactions are absent or minimized. When the reaction is very specific, highly specific, what happens? There is no false positive chance at all. There is no false positive chance. Similarly, when the test is highly sensitive, false negatives can be reduced or false negatives can be completely avoided. So sensitivity means it is the ability to test or to detect even minute quantities, and specificity is the detection of reactions which are homologous, such as antigen antibody reaction. Antigen antibody reaction is highly specific. That is why there is no false positive reaction. When you consider this immunoassays, considering the sensitivity and specificity, you should choose the type of test. Am I clear, Arjun?
Yes, sir.
Now sensitivity, again I will give you one more example. So sensitivity means the ability to detect minute quantities. Okay. For example, now just take the COVID cases only. Many patients, they come for RT-PCR swab test and still they give negative, but they will have symptoms. What could be the reason for it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me. What could be the reason for it?
Negative but have symptoms, sir. They have immune system, more immunity, but yes, sir. More immunity they have.
Now, there are two tests they are doing at present for antigen detection. One is rapid test, another one is RT-PCR test.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, this RT-PCR test is sensitive, is more correct, or the rapid test is more correct? What is more sensitive?
RT-PCR only more sensitive, sir.
Why the antigen rapid test is not more sensitive? Tell me the difference between these two.
That rapid test is within short time it may be show false positive also, sir.
Now, okay, leave it. I will tell you, listen. Just now you have understood that we are doing two investigations for the same antigen detection, that is COVID-19 virus detection. We have rapid antigen detection test, that is rapid card test, and another one is RT-PCR test. So what happens in rapid card test? The sensitivity of the test is very less compared to RT-PCR. So in the rapid, what happens if you have minimum number of antibodies or antigens, minimum number of antigens, if they are present in the blood sample, or not the blood sample, the sample which you have collected by swab test, and you are extracting the virus from that means antigen. So when you are doing so, and when you are putting this sample, and what happens, if there is minimum number of antigens, then only you will get positive. If there is less than the minimum number, you will not get, you will get negative test in the rapid test. But same patient, if the same sample is given for RT-PCR, RT-PCR can detect even very minute levels of antigen, maybe even 10 to 15 or 100 antigens if they are present also we can detect by using RT-PCR. Just to tell you the example for sensitivity I am telling you, but it is not exactly the number 100. Okay. So the very small quantities can be detected by RT-PCR but cannot be detected by rapid CART test. So these two are detecting the same virus, but the one test can give negative, but RT-PCR can be positive. The difference lies here is in the sensitivity of the test. So rapid test sensitivity is less, whereas RT-PCR sensitivity is very high. Now you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now the specificity, coming to the specificity, specificity means the antigen antibody reactions are highly specific. These immune reactions which we use in immunoassay, they are highly specific. Specific means generally I'll give you an example. See, you are a man, correct?
Yes, sir.
You are a human being.
Yes, sir.
If you are going for marriage, you will marry a monkey?
No, sir.
You will marry a donkey?
No, sir. Woman only, sir.
You will marry another female human being, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
So you will not go for another thing.
Yes, sir.
So this is what the specificity. Humans marry the difference, of course there is a difference in the gender. So they marry the gender of same species
Yes, sir.
mostly.